Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. So let's get baking. For making baked samosa, let's first knead the dough. For that, in a bowl take 188 gram all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam seeds, ajwain, 48 ml oil and mix it. Coat the flour well with oil till it has sandy texture. This will make our samosa shell flaky. Rub the flour between your palm like this to do just that, and the flour should hold its shape when pressed together. Then use water to knead the dough. Bring it together, then I had transferred it to the kitchen counter and knead it for 4 to 5 minutes. We want a soft dough. I'll keep it in a bowl, cover with a plate and let rest for 30 minutes. For making stuffing, in a pan add 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing, half teaspoon cumin seeds jeera and let them crackle. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 5 boiled potatoes. I will simply crush them with hands. Then add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste and mix. Crush the potatoes using the back of your spatula. Add half teaspoon of dry mango powder, amchur powder and mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and chop green chilies and mix. Then transfer the mixture to a plate and let it cool completely. Have you liked my video yet? If you haven't, please like my video, connect with me in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Our dough have rested well. I'll just knead it for a minute, then divide it into 8 equal parts. Roll the dough between your palms to make a smooth dough ball. Then using a rolling pin, roll the dough 4 to 5 inch sheet. Then apply water all around the edges. This will help seal the edges while shaping. Now I'm going to bring the edges and seal them, giving the dough a basket shape. Now fill it with the potato stuffing properly. Then carefully transfer the basket to the baking tray. Likewise, make all the other basket and place on a baking tray. Brush the dough with oil or ghee. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 16 to 20 minutes till the basket are nice golden brown in color. After cooling it completely, let us plate it. Spread some sweet tamarind sauce, imli ki chutney and coriander chutney green chutney. Place the big samosa basket in center and garnish with finely chopped tomatoes and onion. Place coriander leaf on top. A big samosa basket chaat is ready to be served, and enjoy it with your family and friends this Holi. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.